Morning. It's Thursday today, April 17, I think. Ayan. So, nandito kami sa car wash. Magpapa-car wash kami today. Sama na aking gisawa. So, pangalawang car wash na namin to. Yung car wash na automatic na yung lilinisan diretso din. Tapos, ganun. Hindi siya manual. So, it's gonna be a week na wala kaming travel. So, samahan nyo kami for our daily life as a married here or a couple living here in Florida. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Na tayo mag 1K. So, help me to reach our 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Ganda ng panahon. Always mainit talaga sa Florida everyday. Mala Pilipinas. Kaya naninibago din yung katawan ko pag napunta kami sa ibang lugar kasi malamig. Tapos dito nasanay na ako ng warm. Una sana kami pero nagka-problem yung coupon. So, pila muna hanggang sa makarating. Car wash take $5 pag you have coupon. Dito na.
Yeah.
For the car wash.
Please place your vehicle in neutral. Take your hands off the wheel and foot off the brake. Enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the ride.
I just gotta make sure your windows are up. Want me to put the windows down for you?
Boy, no.
How about the one over the roof? You said you wanted to shower. You guys don't have these in the Philippines?
Second question already. I don't think so. Might be, I don't know. So we never have it car.
Fix the mirror.
You should close it.
Because it's out. You just gotta push it back. It's not. Wow, look at all the suns.
You need car wash also the owner. You need also a car wash to yourself because your car been 2 times already a car wash.
When I lived in Texas, I had a card. And when I left Texas, I still had $35 worth of car washes. I lost $35. I was not happy. Just like throwing away money. Oh, there it goes. Now it's coming back in.
Yeah. Oh, a lot of hands. That was cool. They have like that kind of room.
Different.
And then before go.
I don't know, my love.
Yun lang, magkaiba pala. We're done. The car is clean but the owner doesn't yet. Sorry. Lunch in Wings House. First time here, Wings House. See, $1 Wings House every Monday.
No more, I guess.
The same as this, but this the closer one.
Yeah.
2015. Diba? 2015?
The address.
Oh, the address. So, dito kami waiting mag-open yung Wings House. I love wings because I need to fly. You need to fly. Smile din, eh? Yeah. Dito kami sa Wings.
matter? The old girl couldn't find her way to the Walmart parking lot?
I don't know. She's just been sleeping here. We've been trying to get her to go every morning, so.
She's here every morning?
Most-
Thank you.
What do you have, my love?
Chicken Caesar wrap.
Mine ice cream. Kami sa Sonic. Sonic ba? Bili yan ng mga gamit. Sonic. So, may hotdog, ice cream, burger. Meron dito. Ginagawa namin lagi ito, ice cream. Kada after kain. Turtle. That's Florida. A lot of turtle here. Yeah. Ice cream. Frozen. Ice cream. Thank you.
Y'all enjoy. Have a blessed day.
You as
Thank
well.
you. Oh, that's yours. One is Reese. Ice cream. Flavor. Couple ice cream. Isonic. Isonic only. This is mine. Can I open? I'm just like at home. I'll make it up. Puno yan. Lemon. Coke. So just the same, only the different is the topping.
M&M's.
Chill in the beach. This is my chair. So you allow go to the beach, sit down there when the sun goes down?
Oh, no, I want to choose.
Alright, go to the beach in the afternoon then when the sun goes down. Not really down, like it's getting dark, but you know the time where people are busy. But I know it's getting dark. 8 at night, I was late already. Ice cream is done. They're going to the Waller's bili ng makain sa bahay. Para may maluto. Mag-grocery pa na kami. Yeah, busog na. Thank you, Lord. For the lamon, for the kain, for the ice cream. I'm done already. Every time we eat and buy ice cream, I waste it when it's over. You like ice cream? Then eat the roll. Seryoso man yan, eh. We're going to the Wallers. About here, we're seeing the Dead Wallers Farm Market. Beautiful flowers. May mga usually nabibili dito. Lagi naman dito ako nabibili. So, na-vlog ko na rin to. Na nabili kami dito before. So, kamatis. I don't have yet kamatis. Isa-isahin natin dito. Kasi magsasabaw ako. Ito maliit. Gusto ko to maliit lang. Ayoko nang masyadong malaki. Kunti lang bibilin ko kasi baka kahit manok lang sa kaunting gulay okay na to. Na makikita nyo dito ng mga tinda sa Dewalis. Ito meron pa ako nito sa ref, kaya hindi ako bibili ng nito. Meron pa akong pangpanghang sa aking sinigang. So, may mga frozen. Ay, sarap. Ito yung available nila. Kangkong. Instead na magkangkong ako, meron ako doon. Isa.
Well, kind of, but like.
Yan yung mga bilihin dito. Yun, okra para sa akin. Ang hirap maging maliit. Kukuha. Para sa aking sinigang. Okra, sinigang.
Big box choice, baby box choice.
Yeah, I do.
The baby is $2.49. Get the baby or the big?
Wala na, prutas na to dito. I'm gonna get some of the beans. Yan, yan. Malalaki. Fresh pa yung beans. Minsan, butay, ano na yung beans dito? Hindi fresh, minsan. Hindi lang tamad kasi ako magayat ng beans. Kasi pino-pino. That's all beans.
They moved in Miami. They just got here.
So there. Daming tinda, no? Kasi ganito dito, ano, dito yung pinaka main grocery dito sa Dewal or sa Walmart meron naman, pero dito fresh and dry, and then halo na siya. Talagang usually market talaga siya kasi mabibili mo lahat. Kailangan mo. Where is our cart? Put it in the cart. Gonna get banana? Banana. Yay! He allowed me to get a banana. Banana. Yeah, but I want the yellow more one. It's more on the there, 15 minutes. I'm good.
What?
I'm good. The frozen area, mga mga fish market, butchers, shop. Dito mga prutas. Hello. Okay.
You can get one for her, please.
Thank you.
Tomahawk. Tomahawk ribeye. Hi, boss. Wagyu strip.
Bili yan. Yeah.
Oh, we are.
Well, I'm gonna get wings there.
Well, I thought,
I'm gonna get there the wings. Okay. Chicken, ulam, chicken. I have it, the chicken wings. Chicken wings is $3, 6 pieces. Well, that's their kilo. We look for the pork. I'm good. What's that?
This is quiche. So it's eggs, cheese, milk. There's bacon in this. Yes.
Can I try, my friend?
Absolutely, hon. Yes, ma'am.
Direct on like that?
They do. They're down there frozen. They're beside me
Good free taste.
outside.
Okay, okay.
Ayan.
And they come in this size. The little ones are the ones that are on
Thank
sale.
you. Yung egg nila, oh. $3.99 lang bumaba first time. Because Esther is coming. The wet?
Make sure they're not broken.
Yeah. Everything is good. But the cow. Ito naman yung pork, chicken, then pork, and then mga milk, egg, and then mga cheese and bacon. And then doon yung may mga food. Pwede ka bumili dyan, dine. Take out only. Then dito mga bread. If you want, gawa nila yan. Here, milk and egg. Yan. I have a friend there. I don't know if she's still there. Been a long time we didn't see each other. See her. Sabi niya nakita niya daw si ate. Oh, ayun na nga si ate. Nakita ko. First time. She's still busy. Ang Manila.
Manong Manila. Paano kumanong Manila? Paano magtanong Manila?
Ate. Thank you. Pati mga ganyan, oh. Libre yan lagi dito. What's that? Yeah.
Got everything? Oh, you want it?
So, nakabalik namin sa bahay. Pa tayo mag-open yung laptop. Press lock natin. Ayan. Kabalik lang namin sa bahay. And, ayun. Back to house na ulit. Hindi naman kami lalabas. So, yun muna yung ganap namin. Then, later again today, kapag magluto ako, sama ko kayo magluto ako ng sinigang. Pero, baka may hapon kasi may leftover pa ako. Kumain kasi kami ng ice cream, tapos nag-breakfast muna kami bago kami pumunta ng The Wallers para mag-grocery. So, mga busog pang person. So, may hapon pa ako makapagluto. So, see you again later. And mag-edit muna ako kasi mag-upload ako today. Aming dinner, chicken sinigang. Luto na yung gulay, Sinigang, chicken, then with rice. Handa na tayo, kain na na. Pag-serve na natin si Master. Cheers. Below your Master. Bulat yarn. So, yun na.